Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to sell PDF files on Etsy. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Okay, so first what you're gonna do is you're gonna open your web browser and go to canva.com. And from here, just make sure that you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and sign up for one for free. Next, what we're gonna do is create the preview of that digital product that we're selling or the listing that we're selling so that users can have a sneak peek to what the product is. Actually, this is important because this is what will attract the potential clients or customers that will purchase the product. What you're gonna do is from the search bar, search for digital product, and look for digital product templates which you can use for your listing. So when you scroll down, you can see different templates over here. Okay, say you want to sell a couple of planner templates. Let's choose this design for the preview of that listing. So on this side, we're gonna put a few pages or a few templates of the planners that you're gonna be selling as a bulk, and in this side we're gonna modify it so that we can put a bit more details about what you're selling. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna customize this template, and from here we're gonna need things that we will be replacing these with. So now that this is already chosen, let's go ahead and get back the templates, close this. We're gonna search for planners. And as you can see, there's plenty of planners here which we can download for free for this demonstration so that we don't have to create one ourselves. Let's download a couple of these. Okay, so there's quite a lot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Going back to this project, we're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's look for one more. One. And what we're gonna do next is we are going to customize each and every one of these. Do the same thing for the rest of the templates. Okay, so from here, we're gonna click on share and download this planner as JPG or PNG and do the same thing for the rest of the planner templates. Okay, so looking at our downloads, we can see that our planners have been downloaded. Let's head back to this preview of the listing and select this, detach the image. Do the same thing for the rest of the images here. And as you can see here, these image boxes are empty. What we're gonna do now is click on uploads and upload all the files that we have downloaded earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so as you can see here on the left, our images are uploaded, some of which are still loading and still being processed. And from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag an image and drop it to one of these image boxes here on our canvas. So drag and drop it anywhere. Do the same thing for the rest of the images. Drag and drop. Okay, so now that everything's been dragged and dropped over here, you can actually adjust the image by simply double clicking on that image and then moving it up or down so that the way it's cropped will be adjusted to your liking. So what we want to happen is we're gonna show the title of the planner so that customer has an idea of what the planner is about. So now that this side of the canvas or the preview image that we're gonna use has already been set up, what we're gonna modify next is the left side of this canvas, wherein we're gonna think of what we're gonna put here. Maybe this can be edited to planner template and include how much or how many planners you're selling, maybe 30 plus planner templates. And in this text box, we can change it to what the planners are about, say weekly planner, daily planner, travel itinerary, and more. And this one, we can go ahead and either remove it or change it to something else. Let's look at the elements and maybe include, if you have plenty of listings and one of your most famous listings is planners, you can go ahead and search for bestseller. And we're gonna include it over here so it attracts more attention, since apparently this is a bestseller. Okay, let's just move that around. And we're gonna change this style so that it's more readable. Maybe use this one or this one. Adjust the font size. Okay. And maybe change the background color. Up for a more bluish one. Love that there. And change the color of this one also. Change it to something darker. Or choose from the colors that can be found in the photos. Set 1. Let's check on the bestseller sticker over here. Let's actually change this to something gold so that it looks more classy. And it matches the background color that we chose. Okay, so that's it. We have this preview item over here. This isn't actually the thing that you're going to sell. So again, we have these projects downloaded as PNG. What you're gonna do next is actually download these again. You can easily navigate to these projects here in the project section. And you can see here in the recent section, these projects. You can simply download it from here and change the file type to PDF standard or PDF print. Assuming that your customers are gonna print this is the best option to choose, PDF print, and choose whether you want to include crop marks and bleed for when you anticipate your customers to trim this design after printing, and flatten PDF so it can ensure that it prints properly. You can also choose a color profile, either RGB or CMYK, and then just download it. Do the same thing for the rest of the templates, and then make sure that it's prepared so that your customer can see it, or make sure that it's prepared over here. You can see that it's been downloaded. Do the same thing for the rest of these projects so that when your customer purchases this bundle, it's already been prepared because you have already downloaded it. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you can tune in to the next one.